Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 75. Today is the last day of Chris Pappas repping the rep. His team had their second pop-up passport fair, which in New Hampshire is more important than anywhere else. There's almost no chance the SAVE Act will pass the Senate, and it probably won't be brought up for a vote. But in New Hampshire, it kind of already exists. So the easier they make it to get a passport, the better. Lauren Underwood had today's Democratic Daily Download. Sometimes they tell us what Democrats are doing to combat the Republican nonsense. But in this case, it was just a reminder of how bad the Republican budget blueprint is. And that all Democrats voted against it. Ed Markey and Catherine Clark are holding what they're calling an activist fair tomorrow. Because, quote, we're not only going to take questions and answer our constituents, but we're going to give people options on how they can get involved. I love this. Jennifer McClellan and Sydney Kamlager-Dove went live for the WTF show to talk about what they describe as the Republican naughty list. Sound intriguing? Today, Maxwell Frost and Justin Jones spoke at the Global Inheritance Speaker Series at Coachella. Frost has been working with Coachella for years, and he spoke at the series the first time in 2023. I hope it was incredibly successful, and there are a lot of people interested in getting involved that weren't necessarily before. Stephen Horsford and Terry Sewell led 131 of their colleagues on why it looks very much like the tariffs were paused to help those who participate in insider trading. The DNC has added more dates and more districts to their People's Town Hall. For the record, they're doing this constantly. You can find the updated list on their website every day. And finally, Jahana Hayes, Derek Tran, and 2 Republicans were on the CNN town hall. If you have a cable provider, I have the link in my Substack to watch it. But Hayes also posted several of the clips on her social media. This one is about the importance of vaccines and how dangerous RFK Jr. is. If you made it this far, comment a syringe, because we're not talking enough about any of that. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.